pallet 22 confirmed. Diverting to sorting station 4.
Spectrometer reading complete. Carotenoid levels look good.
Matches the vibrancy index on the chart. Record the results.
The carotenoid levels are within range.
Confirmed.
Confirmed. Logging batch 7F.
Scale 2 calibrated.
Acknowledged. Moving bowl 3 into position.
Speed is holding steady at 4,800.
Sample viscosity is within parameters. I'm logging the data now.
The color uniformity is exactly on target.
The client will be pleased with this batch.
Increasing tunnel temperature to 95 degrees Celsius.
Acknowledged. Belt speed remains at 0.4 meters per second.
Check the polymerization rate on tunnel 4. It's fluctuating again.
I see it. Adjusting the heat stabilizers now. The calibration seems off.
Blower speeds holding steady at maximum.
Confirmed. Carrier spacing is locked in.
The synchronization is holding steady at 99.8% efficiency.
Good. Let's maintain this cycle speed.
Adjusting intensity to the required level now.
Confirmed. The speed is perfectly synchronized with the UV rhythm.
check the alignment on the feed roller. Temperature is holding steady, seals look consistent.
Ensure the tension on pallet 4 is set to maximum.
Copy that. Adjusting now. The next lift is clear for approach 2.
Check the tension on pallet 4, it seems low.
Ramping up the wrap sequence now.
Placement confirmed at Bay 4R.
Roger that. Scanning complete. Moving to the next.
We have a successful lock on pallet 12. Initiate transfer sequence.
Sequence initiated. Clear path to staging area.
Scan complete on pallet 34B. Move the next one in. Copy that, bring it around now.
Lane 4 is clear for the inbound shipment.
Confirmed. Adjusting the flow rate now.
Make sure the labels are facing out on level 3.
Got it. Scanning now.
Did you secure the cooling unit on row 3?
Yes, just finished the wiring harness. How many more trays for this aisle?
2 more, then we move to the refrigerated section.
How does that look on the meter? We need to maximize the color temperature here.
It's steady now. The uniformity is much better.
The beam angle looks optimized from this view.
Yes, visibility is enhanced by nearly 20%.
Keep the flow steady.
Next section clear for the egg displays.
Here, feel the weight difference yourself. We focus on sustainability for the labels.
Oh, this feels exactly like the real thing.
We've highlighted the nutritional benefits right here on the label. How does the texture compare to real eggs?
It's nearly identical, designed for culinary use.
go.
We have a spike in fake egg sales. Pushing the update now.
Received and verified. All green on the main board.
Inventory update complete for batch 44. Fake egg count verified.
Confirmed. All systems green.
We have a variance here on aisle 4.
I see it. The physical count is higher than the ledger.
Rerunning the report now. Looks accurate.
Alert in Bay 3. Check the egg inventory.
Confirmed. Adjusting levels. Status resolved.
We're seeing a dip in sector 4.
Acknowledged. Adjusting levels now.
Alert resolved. Back to baseline.
These samples demonstrate the texture. It's entirely plant-based, and as you can see on the screen here, the shelf life is extended.
That's very efficient. Thank you.
So these are entirely plant-based.
Yes, the binding agent is derived from algae. Notice how it holds its shape when cooked.
Impressive. So